Every home got a signal now. Get ready to launch. But not every signal is safe. And every parent's trying to keep up with a world that won't slow down.
What if your child wants to become a content creator? Not just watch YouTube or scroll TikTok, but actually build something online. Many young people already dream about becoming creators. Some want to stream, podcast, edit videos, or build a brand. Some simply want their voice to be heard. And in today's world, content creation is no longer just a hobby. It can become a career, a business, a ministry, a platform, and a powerful creative outlet. But the concern many parents quietly carry is this: how do I let my child explore this world safely? Because behind the cameras and viral videos are real risks: oversharing, online predators, digital footprints, cyberbullying, scams, burnout, unhealthy validation culture, pressure to imitate harmful trends, and the list goes on. This is where I come in. I'm launching something new through Family Cyber Clinic, a live series designed to help young people learn how to create content safely, how to build confidence online wisely, and how to protect their privacy and identity, and also how social media algorithms affect behavior, how to use creativity without losing values, and lastly, practical skills in filming, editing, streaming, podcasting, and branding, and how to grow even online without becoming vulnerable also online. This is not about chasing fame. It's about raising a generation that knows how to create online responsibly and securely. After nearly 8 years of content creation, live production, online community building, and family cyber education, I've learned lessons I wish young creators were being taught earlier. And now, I want to pass that message on. The sessions will be practical, engaging, parent-aware, and youth-friendly. Interactive also, I hasten to add. And it will be live on YouTube through the Family Cyber Clinic YouTube channel. Some future exclusive workshops, behind the scenes, content, and deeper training may also be available through our sister YouTube channel, Securely You Online. If your child is interested in YouTube, podcasting, TikTok Reels, streaming, digital creativity, online influence, using collaboration tools like Zoom and OBS, live production tools like Ecamm, in photography or videography, this series could become one of the most important early foundations they receive. Because the future belongs to creators, but creators also need wisdom. We're launching all this coming Saturday. I don't know whether it's coming, but it's on the 6th of June at noon. And so I urge you to, as a parent, make yourself available on that day. Get your child, you know your child more than anybody would ever dream of knowing. Make sure they're sitting there. You know where their hunger is, you know, the skills that they have. And that don't force this on them. That's not what I'm asking you to do. If they've shown interest, you must bring them along at noon on the 6th of June. It's a Saturday, okay? And parents, you may also be interested. So this is not just, for the young ones. You can be interested, and you could also launch your own channel, okay? It promises to be a wonderful time. Please share this with everyone you know that has a child who has, a leaning towards these things. And if you or they want to be involved too, it will not be wasted. I've been your host, as always, Lawrence Edem. Until then, God bless and goodbye.
Wi-Fi in every room. Kids growing up faster before we shake the rules. We're working, we're praying, trying to get it right. But the world's in their hands now. Even late at night, they scroll before they pray, they swipe before they speak. We're learning as we lead them, but the pressure's deep. Information everywhere, but wisdom moving slow.